Hey data people, welcome back. While my own vacation is coming to an end, yours might just be starting. If Gmail is your go-to email suite, today's video is going to show you how to use the very important tool known as Gmail Vacation Responder. You don't need any additional third-party apps to set this up, just access to your Gmail account. Let's dive in. Gmail offers a straightforward way to set an away message for its users, so no matter where you are, email senders will know what to expect when trying to reach you. And while it may not be as robust as automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook, you still have plenty to work with in terms of customizing an out-of-office message. Let's take a look. Once you've logged into your Gmail account from your computer, find the settings or gear icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click to open it up and then select See All Settings. From here, the settings window will show the contents of the General tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll find the Vacation Responder section. By default, it's set to off. To make changes and set your away message, select the radio button to turn your Vacation Responder on. You'll notice the first day is preloaded to today's date. You can change that as needed, but I'll leave mine as is. For the last day, you can decide to leave it blank and just turn off the responder when you return. But I think it's generally a good practice to set a date so you don't have to worry about it later. To do that, check the box before the last day text, and the field then chooses a date exactly 1 week later. To change this, just click on the date field and choose the date you wish the vacation responder to end. Now go ahead and add a subject in the field below and continue on to the message box. I've already prepared a message, so I'll just paste that in the empty field. Now you'll notice that any style or formatting options are unavailable to you. That's because it's set to rich formatting. To customize your message appearance, click the blue link and it switches to plain text while also unhiding the format ribbon above. You can use the ribbon to change your font, the size of your text, you can bold or underline. You can also add some color or even insert an image if you'd like to. If you're happy with your Gmail away message, you can then choose to send this response to any emailer or just to those listed in your contacts. Just check the box if you only want to notify your contacts of your absence. Unfortunately, you can't set any customizable rules like you can in Microsoft Outlook, but Gmail Vacation Responder will default to sending contacts a away message only once every 4 days if they send continuous emails. Lastly, make sure you hit the Save Changes button below or your new message won't be activated. Now, sometimes it's just easier organizing your day-to-day business from your phone. If so, the Gmail app users have the power to set their vacation responder without the inconvenience of powering up a separate device. When you're in the Gmail mobile app, click the hamburger menu in the top left and scroll down to Settings. In the next window, navigate to the vacation responder found in the Compose and Reply section. When you open it, you'll see my Gmail away message we set up from the PC. I love this about the Gmail app because your changes are already synced and you can make edits while on the go. But let's say you want to set up the vacation responder from scratch right from the app. To do this, let's go back a step. I've already removed my away message and disabled it so we can set a new one. Jump back into the vacation responder and toggle the feature on. You'll see just like before, the first day is today, and by clicking the last day field, we have 3 options. You can set the last day for a week from now, set a custom date, or leave it blank. Let's choose custom and pick our end date. Now we can enter our subject and I'll paste in my previous away message. Again, we can select to only send our message to contacts by toggling the switch on or leave it off to send to everyone. Just make sure you hit save at the top of the screen to save any changes. If I go back into the vacation responder, we see that everything is as we expected. Easy peasy. Now enjoy that time off as the PTO gods intended. Thanks for watching. I'll see you the next time.